Oceanic Star to any port PTS requesting entry into port limits. ETA 1400 hours. Position 34 degrees 12 minutes north, 118 degrees 15 minutes west. Course 270 degrees. Speed 12 knots.
Airport BTS Officer Lagapa to Oceanic Star Roger. We have you on radar. Traffic in heavy in the channel. Expect some delay. Stand by. Further instruction.
Oceanic Star understood.
Airport BTS to Oceanic Star. We're directing you to proceed at reduced speed 8 knots until you reach buoy 4. There are fishing vessels operating in that area.
Oceanic Star understood, reducing speed to 8 knots. The Oceanic Star is proceeding cautiously.
Airport BTS to Oceanic Star. Be advised, the tanker Pacific Dawn is approaching from the opposite direction. Maintain your course speed. Maintain your course speed. We are coordinating their movement to ensure a safe passing.
Oceanic Star understood, awaiting your instructions.
Airport BTS to Oceanic Star. The Pacific Dawn has been instructed to alter course slightly to starboard. Maintain your present course and speed. You should pass safely with ample clearance.
Oceanic Star understood, safe passing confirmed.
Airport BTS to Oceanic Star. You are now cleared to proceed. You assigned berth at Pier 3. We will continue to monitor your progress.
Oceanic Star understood, thank you, Anyport BTS, Oceanic Star out.